The production of the Google Pixel 5a is going to be affected by the global chip shortage. So Google is going to cancel the 5a in every other region except its two biggest markets. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more tech videos. The Pixel 5a is expected to launch later this year at Google I/O Developers Conference alongside the rumored Pixel Buds A, which is most likely going to be a more budget-friendly Pixel Buds. So Google confirmed the name of its next budget-friendly Pixel device to be the Pixel 5a, and it was previously thought by Android Central and John Prosser to be cancelled entirely. But Google confirmed to 9to5 Google that the 5a has not been cancelled, at least not entirely, but instead it's gonna be limited to just the United States and Japan, and they could potentially release it in one or two more markets down the line. They also confirmed the launch schedule to be the same as when last year's A-series phone was introduced, so we can expect the Pixel 5a around August. It's reportedly going to use the same chipset as the Pixel 5, so the Snapdragon 765G, and it's most likely going to be paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. We can also expect the Pixel 6 and 6 XL to launch the same day as the Pixel 5a, just the way Google launched the Pixel 5 and Pixel 4a on the same day. The Pixel 6 is going to use Google's custom flagship chipset codenamed Whitechapel. Based on the specs and configurations, it's going to be an 8-core processor with 2 Cortex-A78 as prime cores. So it'll be interesting to see how it performs against the Snapdragon 888 with 1 Cortex-X1 as its prime core. Whitechapel is not going to use Adreno GPU or Samsung's custom GPU, and since Google doesn't have an in-house GPU, they're most likely going to use ARM Mali G78, which isn't as good as the Adreno 660. Or maybe Google has something up its sleeves. We'll have to wait and see. Anyway, let me know what you think about the Pixel 6 and 6 XL and Whitechapel in the comment section below. That's all for me in this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.